Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 7X and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can open the settings, which are, let's say, on the right side of this device. So we have to swipe our finger to the side from the right to the center of the screen, and as you can see here, we've got the settings, and in the capture settings here on the fourth position we've got the timer, which is obviously right now turned off. So let's tap on it, and as you can see here, we've got 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay option to choose from. So let me pick, for example, 10 seconds delay. As you can see, it is notified right here, so we can go back to the photo mode and tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, so now we can try 2 seconds delay maybe, and as you can see, the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 2. So let's turn off the timer just by tapping on the off option, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button without any countdown. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your Honor 7X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.